Next, we're going to look at some word problems involving cube roots. So this is example number 1 for word problems. So on your notes, you're making a new subtitle that says word problems, and this will be the first one. Jude has a toy block. The face measures 25 inches squared. What is its volume? So the first thing we want to do is pick out our important information. And I noticed that they gave me 25 inches squared. Notice the units are squared inches. So think back to when we did word problems before. When we were given a number with the units squared, what did that tell us? Well, that tells us the area. So we know the area of each side of this square, or each side of this cube, is going to be 25 inches squared. So that means that the face of this toy block has an area of 25 inches squared, and so this side would also be, and the top would be, and the bottom, and the left, and the back. All of the sides are going to have an area of 25 inches squared. Well, since we know the area, we can work backwards and find the side length. So do you remember how to do that? Well, how do we undo this squaring? By taking the square root. So since we're given the square, we're going to undo it by taking the square root. So the square root of 25 gives me 5. And now we know the length of each side. So I know that this side is going to be 5 inches. This side is 5 inches. And this side is also 5 inches. So I know that the length, width, and height are all 5 inches. Now we have enough information to now find volume. Just a refresher, volume equals length times width times height. And now we know those three units. Because it's a cube, that means the length, width, and height were all the same. So we were given the area of a face. We worked backwards to find one side length, and now we can plug those side lengths in to find the volume. So we're going to have volume equals 5 times 5 times 5, which is the same as 5 cubed, hence why we're doing a word problem involving cubes. So the volume of this toy block would be 125 inches cubed, or cubic inches. And we want to make sure we write that in words as well. So let me get a different color here, and I'm just going to write on the side. All right, so the volume, because remember, word problems always get words. The volume of the toy block is 125 cubic inches. Volume is always in cubed, inches cubed, units cubed.